bird to your mountain. Thou who art weary of sin, go to the clear flowing fountain, where you may wash and be clean. Fly, for the avenger is near thee. Call, and the Savior will hear thee. He on his bosom will bear thee. O thou who art weary of sin, O thou who art weary of sin. He will protect thee forever, wipe every falling tear. He will forsake thee, O never, sheltered so tenderly there. Haste, then, the hours are flying. Spend not the moments in sighing. Cease from your sorrow and crying. The Savior will wipe every tear. Oh, the Savior will wipe every tear. He is the bountiful giver. Now unto him draw near. Peace then shall flow like a river, and thou shalt be saved from thy fear. Hark, 'tis the Savior is calling. Haste, for the twilight is falling. Flee, for the night is appalling, and thou shalt be saved from thy fear. And thou shalt be saved from